So guys, here and welcome to Drupal Vlog. Today I'm going to show you the journey from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Then from there we'll go to Madurai, then Trivandrum. After Madurai, Trivandrum, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. After Madurai we'll go to Trivandrum, Kalahasti. We'll go in Madurai and one more place which?
Going time
We'll show you the route. So part 1 will be from Hyderabad to Bangalore, then part 2 will be Bangalore to Madurai, then part 3 will be Madurai to Trivandrum. So there will be 3 videos posting in the YouTube channel. So yeah. So guys, let's see the route. We are going to National Highway 44. So yeah, we are going to put full tank petrol right now because we have to go to Bangalore. That's what I'm running. So extra premium is nice for cars because they are little more power and mileage and all. So we are putting extra premium. So we'll see from the road. So let's see. I'll put hyperlapse till the NH, then we can see the views. We are filling petrol over here, 45 liters. So you can see, I'll show you. The camera shot up. You can see this is XP under that thing. So we have to go to extra premium. So we'll see where is extra premium. We have to put 45 liters now. They are going to fill our car petrol. So yeah, he's going to take. This is Hyderabad's flats and all. So in Hyderabad the flats are like Dubai's high-tech city. So this building is just construction. So we are going to the highway. There we have the map. The mobile holders over there.
Turn right.
Turn right. So as that, let's see the road. Wait a second. So guys, we got the road.
Turn left onto High-Tech City Main Road.
So these buildings are too tall, like Dubai. This is a High-Tech City Main Road. We are almost to the highway. So there's a temple over there. So this is the city of Hyderabad, High-Tech City. So it looks like Dubai. So guys, you can see this is near the IKEA mall, Swedish. So you can see this building is too big. I can't even hold the camera. That big this mall. So this is a building flat. I think it's an office or flat something. The sky view. No, that's the sky view. So we have to go straight in.
Right onto Gachibowli Road, Oldham by Highway.
We have to go right. So guys, this is Tolly Chowki. That area goes that side, and this side is, I don't know, that side. But we have to go to this Gachibowli from this side. I don't know the straight way where it's going currently because we. I don't remember we went. Oh, that's not straight way. I think so. Oh man, I got stuck. I just thought there's a road over here, but there's no roads. So yeah. So let's see when we'll reach highway. So guys, my mother has a YouTube channel, Drushash Vlogs. So we are shooting that also. You can see some visuals that are not in my video. You can see in that because. We are shooting from one phone. So yeah. So in my mother's video also there's visuals and she talks in Malayalam in the videos. So it's a first vlog and first YouTube channel. So just go and subscribe, like and share in that video.
This is the Cara Hospital.
This is the Cara Hospital over here. Okay guys, let's see in highway after my mother's video. So bye. As you can see, this is Nehru Outer Ring Road.
For 5 kilometers.
So we are in Outer Ring Road. We have to continue till 5 kilometers to reach the NS44. We are in the Ring Road. So happy to travel a long distance. So it's a nice journey because I am taking video. Last year when we went to Kerala, we didn't take videos and all because I didn't have any channel at that time. But I post like short videos like in my father's channel. But in that channel there's only 2 subscribers or something because I didn't send to everyone. So yeah. So this is the Outer Ring Road. So police car is going in front. there's a flats in Outer Ring Road. This is which side? Amma, which side is that? That. So that side is Mehendipatnam. So we are thinking which place we forgot that place. This is high-tech city size, big buildings, and here big buildings are coming, but they are small buildings only, not that small. Still. So this is the road, so it's straight, so we can go till 160 or something. But we are not promoting that to go to 160, but I'm just showing the speed of this car, power, and yeah. So this car can go till 200. It's showing 220, but we can go till 200, I think so. So we can see, but we'll take only till 150. That's another thing. This road we went to Osman Sagar, right? Yeah, this road we went to Osman Sagar. So in that Kindmaster video, I showed that small video that was at Osman Sagar. So that video. So guys, you can see here we reached a toll plaza. So there's a lot of boat coming, blue boat. Then we know it's a toll plaza. So guys, you can see this is a toll plaza over here. So yeah. So it's showing to reach Bangalore, it will take 8 hours 15 minutes will take to reach Bangalore. 567 kilometers left. We'll reach by 7 o'clock, it's showing. So we are near the RJI Airport, Bangalore, and it's 44. So we got the ticket. I don't know why they kept these things over here. Simply. So you can see pollution checking, FASTag available. Oh, this is FASTag. It is Outer Ring Road also. There's buildings on the side, you can see. I don't know how. Buildings in Outer Ring Road. Who lives over here? They have to live in cities. When they'll go, I think so, they have to go through the Outer Ring Road, or there will be some road from that area. So these are luxury apartments. By seeing that inside glass and all, you can identify it and the shape of it. So you can see Bangalore,
In 500 meters, use the left 2 lanes to take the exit toward RJI Airport, Bengaluru.
So yeah, we are going now on 60. Later you can see the speed. We'll be on 160 or 150. Bangalore is slight left.
Use the left 2 lanes to
So you can see there's an old Ertiga and old Maruti Suzuki Desire. So you can see cranes above buildings. I can't zoom. So yeah. So someone is putting on. Who's there? Oh, it's Maraza. So, yeah. So guys, we changed that MCU of this Ertiga. It's Ertiga. We have to change MCU 2 times between 1 year. So this was the last time we changed the MCU. So we changed one in 2020, and the next we changed in 2021 last month. So they did service also. So only 2 times we have to change the MCU between 1 year and all. So now we have to not change the MCU from now. So the mileage is showing 9.8 now. Before it was like 12, 13, right? Yeah. When we were going to Kerala from Hyderabad, before changing the MCU, it was like 16, 15. So we can see today it will increase or something. It was 9 kilometer mileage, but now it's 9.8. You can see over there. 370 mileage is showing. And you know one thing, how many gears are there? That much petrol will mileage will increase. But I don't know what petrol or mileage. I saw in some video. So if in Volvo one vehicle, that's 12 gears, so it will have more mileage because it has more gears. So you can see the road. I think so. Construction is going here in the main road. See 3 of them. We are here. My mother is doing to Happy New Year to some people. So my father is driving the car on 80. So the mileage is showing 9.8 now. So let's see afterwards. Yeah. So This is the road over this. Guys, we are almost near Kurnool, so I stopped the video near NH, that toll plaza, I think so. We are near Kurnool, right? Bora V or something. Yeah, Kurnool. We almost to Bangalore is only 360 kilometers to Bangalore from this place. There's the board. Wait a second. Oh, it went. So the travel was very nice. My father went till 120. So now we'll go to 140 because the road is super duper clear. Two-way, but there's three-way little more there. So yeah. So here's like full farm area. And my father's driving over here. We just ate for the Maggie, top ramen. Huh? Top ramen and egg. I ate before, now we stopped and ate. Before that also I ate on something like in Andhra. So my mother made the noodles, so we ate that. So my father bought tea from that hotel where we stopped before when I ate noodles. So, now also I ate noodles. So, and we bought some chocolates and ate it. So yeah. So let's see after the next place, Anantapur or some. If there's some nice view, there's no nice view because it's fully farm area over here. You can see it's full farm area. And guys, I told you the mileage was 9.8. Now it's 12.8. 407 kilometers will go. From Bangalore only we refueled. Sorry, from Hyderabad only we refueled the. From Hyderabad we put at full tank fuel, and it didn't go to over the mileage increase. So I think so. It's same. The petrol is same 407. So when we were coming from Hyderabad to this place, it was like 400 when we fueled it. So now also it's 406. So the petrol is not done. There's only 350 kilometers and 50 kilometers will be left petrol. So there's going like parcel service, logistics, and cars along. I saw more than 10 Ertigas going in this road. Same color, our same white color. 10 Ertigas were going from this road. So yeah. So it is a straight road only. Not even two in front of us. You can see. Yeah, now the second car came. It went fast. You can see the road is super duper clear, so we can go we can close our eyes and drive like that. It's straight road. So yeah. Bus stand will come and go and come and go like that. There's another vehicle going KUV. Yeah. So there's another farm, I think so, cotton farm, because there's white color things, so it's cotton, I think so. So yeah, and there's a petrol pump over here. We don't need to fuel it because it's 405, and to reach Bangalore it's only 340 or 50 kilometers left. So yeah, we don't need to refuel it. Before our car Alto, in that we have to refuel every time, like almost. We refueled like 5 times, no, not 5, 2-3 times when we were going from Hyderabad to Bangalore. We fueled 2 times in our Alto. So it was the fuel tank capacity was around 30 to 35 liter. So the mileage was more. Still, we have to fill it 3 times. So yeah. So let's see from Ananta. So I'll start again from Anantapur. So we are near a temple, ISKCON temple. You can see on the back side. The video is in my mother's channel. I am posting it. So you can see in that channel. Just go and see Dusha's vlogs. So there's car over here also. You can see. There's the temple over there.
Hi guys, this is ISKCON temple from Bangalore, near to Bangalore.
Anantapur. That's only 200 kilometers from this place. So let's see when we reach the next place of Anantagiri. Anantapur. So if there's view, I'll show you. There was no view till now. So in Anantapur, we'll see. It's only like 2 kilometers to Anantapur city. So let's see. So guys, we reached Tamil Nadu in Madurai, so we are on the way to Trivandrum, Kayakundam. So I'll show you the road. Yo, and welcome to Super Vlog. We reached Trivandrum right now. So it was almost 11 o'clock. So we are staying in a hotel. What's the name of the hotel? Alsaj. Yeah, Alsaj. So we took the flat, Sauberniga Highlands, 3 BHK. So today I'm going to show you that house, and our parcel also came. So I'll show you the room. So this is the bathroom. So here a table and a TV. So let's see in Sauberniga how Sauberniga Highlands. So guys, we came out from the flat. We are going to that flat now. Back, we ate from hotel, which was in Al Arabian. So we ate koi mandi and a chicken pan fried noodles. And yeah, the food was tasty. The noodles was very tasty. So I told you I'll show you the lobby and all of the flat and the parking and all. So we'll see the road of Kayakundam. So this is Kayakundam city. So guys, we are in traffic. And this is, if you don't know the location, near SATVS. So guys, we came from that flyover to this road. It's near my school, Krishnanagar International School. So near Sainika School also. Alsaj. Yesterday we stayed in Alsaj over here. So we stayed in this Alsaj hotel over here. You can see. This was the hotel we stayed over here. So the flat's name is Southburning Highlands in Kaniyapuram. So we are almost near the flat. We came to Tonal. What's the name?
Tonal Devi Kendram.
Tonal Devi temple. So we are near the flat. I'll show you if we can see from here. So this is the road from the Kunil hypermarket.
Kunil.
Yeah, Kunil hypermarket.
Paisa.
So guys, we are near the flat. You can see that is the flat over there. I can't zoom right now. So guys, you can see that's the flat, white and orange color. So guys, we are in the entrance.
There is no proper entrance.
So you can see this is the entrance. There's a gate. So yeah, we are inside the flat. So there's underground down also. We are just turning. So like we are going to the upper parking, means the ground. So guys, we are gonna park our car. So guys, we are turning. So guys, we are parked the car. So let's go out. So guys, we reached. I think so you saw the lobby and all. So let's see tomorrow with another video. Guys, I'll show you the flat now. I forgot to show it. So this is from here. This is the keys for the balcony. These are the keys for the balcony, and this is for the door. So yeah, I think so you saw the door till that video. So this is one of the bedroom with an almari and a dressing table. So yeah, so here there's a balcony. You see, we can sit over here by putting chairs and all. Just close it. Everything is glass. And this is a hall. We are just taking out the cover of the things. I took off my bike cover. So yeah, here is a wash space over here, and there's 2 lights on top, and here there's a switch and all. And I'll show you this bedroom. This is one more bedroom over here. We didn't put that thing. We have to put it on now. It's over there. So there's an almari over here also. Wait a second, I'll just put light. So I put a light. There's one light over here, and in every balcony there's a light. So I don't on it right now. So this is the bathroom, and here is a balcony. We can open it. I'm not opening because I showed you one of them. So there's the pipe, that thing and all. Yeah. So let's see the next bedroom. So this is the next bedroom. Here also, let's put the light. Okay. So you can see 3 bedrooms are spacious and everything. So let's put this light also. So you can see there's another almari over here. There's another bathroom. Both are same. European toilet. There's another dressing table over here. And there's the almari. And yeah, this is a window. There's other flat people's. So yeah. Here is another balcony. I put on the light over here. So you can see they clean that and all. So yeah. So this is of it. So I'll show you the kitchen. So guys, we are in the kitchen. So here is lots of cupboards, lots and lots and lots of cupboards. You can see there is a hydraulic door. Yeah. So here, there's a lot of cupboards over here. Here we started the oven. Here the induction. And in my mother's channel, we are putting a video of some milk or something. So this is the washing machine area over here, and the shelf over here, and there's another window. That's that side, people's balcony, that area. So here we kept the washing machine, and washing machine things over here. We try that. Yeah, here and all. There's more things to come. Yeah, we have to open it. So there are lots and lots and lots and lots of cupboards in this kitchen. So here is the gas area. So this is the chimney. We just opened one side. She's taking the tape and all. My mother is taking the tape. So there is the chimney. It's the switches and all. This is the on button, second, third, and the light. Yes. So there's a glass cupboard over here and all. So yeah, you can see the tiles. It's white. So my father is taking the dressing table cover down. So I think so it's over. So there's a fuse, that thing and all. So I think so you saw the outside. And we can open this glass and all. I'll just show you. There's a lock and all. Wait a second. We have to just open this lock. You can see we can open like this. If there's dust and all inside the home, we are cleaning. At that time we can just open. Or we need air and all. At that time also we can open. Let's close it. The sliding. We can open this side also. See. And this area location Kanyapuram, near Kaigutam. So after Kaigutam junction, it's Kanyapuram. So in that place is Palace. Its name is Saubhanika Highlands. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, I just out the fan. So its name is Saubhanika Highlands. So it's a nice flat with full white things and all. I like white colors. So yeah. We have the thing that we parceled from Hyderabad. I took the video and posted it. Yeah. So there's that light. The seat is over here. I'll just show you. And there's an extra dummy buttons also. We have to, if you want to put any switch and all, we can make it. So guys, I hope you like this video.